3, 2, 1.
What may be the reason they need to bathe so often? The answer is B, to make sure the meat doesn't get dry. In what year was the old age pension introduced in the UK? The answer is A, 1909. Keep pants straight. How would you do this? The answer is A, walk tall, don't slouch. When was the first occurrence of the event at which Lance Shane King represented South Africa in 2005? The answer is A, 2001. What percentage of New York private sector jobs are in the securities industry? The answer is B, 5. The U.S. Army invaded Iraq in what year? The answer is B, 2003. Which of the following great apes the hominidae is not native to Africa? The answer is D, orangutan. Why did the writer get sick? The answer is B, they weren't getting enough sleep. What to do when I can't find Mayor Lemons? How would you do this? The answer is A, use half a pomegranate and half an orange. In which year were Concorde planes retired from service? The answer is C, 2003. Hello, we are Guitar Unit Akabayashi. The men talk about the guitar. The man on the left describes his guitar. The men, what happens next? The answer is D, begin to play the guitars. Prevent paint on window panes. How would you do this? The answer is A, rub window pane with deodorant. A man kneels on one knee in a room and talks to the camera. The man raises his right arm and reaches to the ground with his left hand. The man, what happens next? The answer is B, switches and does the other side. What type of event is the narrator describing? The answer is D, they are describing a fist fight. In what year did John Terry become captain of England's team? The answer is D, 2012. How many phone lines are in the house? The answer is B, 2. What probably happened to the homework? The answer is D, someone stole the homework. To create a realistic backdrop for a wall aquarium, how would you do this? The answer is A, print out a picture and attack it to the back. How do you dry a painting? How would you do this? The answer is A, aim a blow dryer at it. What is rock singer and musician Alice Cooper's real name? The answer is C. Vincent Furnier. During which year were escalators installed in the Empire State Building in New York? The answer is C. 1964. What will happen after they get their new car part? The answer is D. They will pay for the work done on their car. What does Dracula mean? The answer is C. Son of the Dragon. Why did Johnny sigh? The answer is C. He didn't want to go to work. Why is Ivy being yelled at so vigorously by Denny's? The answer is B. Ivy is difficult to be healed. Why was Mel not happy with the night? The answer is B. She got hit on. What are most metal objects made of? The answer is A. Metal alloys. A lady sits on the ground. The lady begins playing a drum-like instrument. The lady, what happens next? The answer is B. Begins to play the drum faster. What will the narrator do next? The answer is C. They will attend the funeral. Why is the narrator seemingly so befuddled? The answer is D. This is the first time working on a car. The value quoted here for the Planck constant is based on a measurement in what year? The answer is B. 2007. A man in a blue shirt walks across the stage. Another man in yellow enters the stage. What happens next? The answer is D. Then jumps rope on stage. Where might we have been when we were waiting for the champagne? The answer is D. We were in a hotel room celebrating. In the spring of what year did the first organized exhibition by Cubists appear? The answer is A. 1911. The guy puts the clippings in his palm. The guy pets the cat and puts the cat on the floor. The guy, what happens next? The answer is B. Gets up and trashes the clippings. To clean marker off of a bedroom wall, how would you do this? The answer is A. Use bleach spray and scrub it several times. Where are they heading to? The answer is C. They are going to the caves. What may have happened if she had not quit her job? The answer is C. Her child may not have progressed. How did the narrator do in their sports tournament? The answer is B. They placed first in their division. How many All-Ireland championships has Cork won? The answer is D. 30. What census showed Southern California as having a population of 26,860, 010? The answer is C. 2010. Why does this woman seem so at peace? The answer is B. This person has a clear objective in life. Why can't I fall back asleep? The answer is B. None of the above choices. To hold webbing together while you sew it, how would you do this? The answer is A. Use a paper clip. People are supposed to drive on the left-hand side of the road in which country? The answer is C. England. In what year did the clergy enter England? The answer is A. 1377. To easily cut all the pieces for an end table out of wood, how would you do this? The answer is A. Use a woodworking jig. How many miles is Montpellier from Paris? The answer is D. 66. A man is canoeing through a long river. What happens next? The answer is D. Uses a paddle to navigate the waters. Why might entries bring their grades down?